like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up all my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. Just let it out, so inconvenient, okay. Just let it be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really guessed you'd be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. Maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never did you feel that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile.